T-Man. We got me. We got Brendan. We got JP. The TRX. And the Lambs.
I just left my long camera. I should.
See.
How much boost? You keep an eye on the boost or no?
This shit clean.
I got the best moves.
We got Debo, we got fucking
Ayuk.
Lambo.
Niggas dying, go to jail, man. This shit for real. Yeah, never think I want to get a meal. Yeah, when I was broke as a joke, I get a steal. Before she was ready, you already knew I know. Shawty made me sick, I'm feeling like I ain't tripping, ain't worried. I be thinking my brother really got eyes on me. And the crazy, my brother, he really died on me. All this pain built up inside.
Hey, can I go in front of you?
Niggas took my pops, they took the pride of me, yeah. But I can't let you niggas see that side of me. No, I can't let you bitches see that side of me, yeah. Be around y'all. You be hanging with niggas, it be a clown up.
So right now we in Santana Row. Oh, it's fucking mania right now. Got everybody out here. I don't know where anybody's at. I can't see. It's popping here. Not gonna lie to you, it's fucking popping.
Bro, how, for real, how fast are y'all going? How?
In this part of the video, we were gonna park right here on the main street, but the cops started tripping on me, Debo, and my boy, so, yep.
There's a parking garage. Where's he going?
I have no idea.
Just follow him.
Yeah, just follow. You probably called BA.
Yeah. You scared the fuck out. Hey, where are we going? There's a parking garage right there, but I don't know if he's going across. I don't know if Debo's going across. It's good. Too loud, bro. It's too loud, bro.
That shit sound like a monster, bro. Fucking. That shit sound like a monster, bro. You fucking. Spark up.
Gotta be boys.
But we driving too crazy out here.
Nah, real shit. Hey, y'all playing up here. Hey, y'all playing up here. Y'all nigga went up
Hey, every.
Come to the top of the fucking the parking garage, the very
was
top,
many.
the very top, the one by
Shit was
Best
fucking
Buy.
many, huh? Should have brought it.
I know, bro.
Should have brought the Fox body too.
I heard about that. Yeah. Set something up. It's good.